Welcome to our channel, The Climax International. Product details: name, Schlage Connect Camelot touchscreen deadbolt with built-in alarm and handleset grip with accent lever, aged bronze, FE4169 NXACC 716 CAM-RH, works with Alexa. Product features: 1. Works with Alexa for voice control, hub required, Alexa device and hub sold separately. 2. Z-Wave technology connects to your home automation system and lets you lock or unlock your door remotely via the web or smartphone. 3. 3 alert modes: activity, tamper and forced entry, let you know when someone is coming or going and communicate potential security threats. 4. Ansi Grade 1 delivered the highest level of durability and security at the main points of entry. 5. Fingerprint-resistant touchscreen protects against fingerprints and smudges and ensures wear patterns remain undetectable. 6. Easily control who has the access to your home. Memory for up to 30 different access codes means everyone can have their own number, from the kids to the pet sitter and housekeeper. 7. Adjustable through bolt-on handlesets can move up and down 1.5 inches to fit a variety of pre-existing holes. Always remove the spacer for a 1.5-inch crossbore. Schlage Connect. From your smartphone to your car, you want advanced technology that makes life simpler. Technology that can keep up with everything life throws at it. With Schlage Connect, we've brought that level of thinking to your door locks. Schlage Connect combines all of our best security features into one lock, redefining what it means to be secure. With a sleek, modern touchscreen, you have the convenience of going keyless and no longer having keys to lose, hide, carry or forget. The fingerprint-resistant touchscreen ensures numbers won't be detectable to intruders after repeated use, safeguarding your home even more.